Why do migratory birds fly in V-shape, and how do they know when and where to go? How does a swarm of thousands of fish change direction perfectly at once? What defines the dazzling geometric pattern of a sunflower plate? How does a human cell know what it needs to evolve into? Scientists and researchers have found the answer to all these questions, through scientific experiments and observations. The evidence is clear and points in the same direction. This is the morphogenic field. Morphogenic fields are the invisible pattern-forming agents, which guide the biological process. From embryonic globs of potential into fully structured complex organisms. For example, our arms have the exact same DNA in them as our legs. So, we need a proper explanation for why they look so different. Understanding how and why organisms take shape is fundamental to understanding life, the universe and everything. It has become common to believe DNA and the genetic information stored in chromosomes. Genes are only responsible to code for protein synthesis. They are the building materials from which life develops. But morphogenic fields are like the intelligence of the architect. They analyze the blueprints and explain what building materials go where. Pioneering astronomer, Fred Hoyle, concluded that the probability of our life rising randomly was comparable to the chance that a tornado sweep in through a junkyard might assemble a Boeing 747. We can understand morphogenic field as the functional organizing force of all organic life. According to Einstein, the morphogenic field connects everything and determines how a particle behaves. If we change this field, the particle also changes. Why is all this important to us? Well, in addition to matter, every plant has a unique morphogenic matrix that affects our body, which has not been directly accessible to humans today. Until now. Scientists and alchemists have developed a revolutionary product line that combines ancient knowledge with modern research. Thanks to those products, we have full access to dozens of herbs' morphogenic matrix. Paracelsus, a Swiss physician and alchemist, using a hidden procedure in his inner circles, was able to create a so-called magnum opus. By further developing this method, combining it with modern science, alchemists and scientists have created an extraction process. That process gives full access not only to the organic and inorganic components of the plant, but also to its morphogenic matrix.
There's now recollection anymore of the plant it was once. It has the ingredients, but it's lost the body. The body is like the DNA of the plant, and that is locked into the matter of the plant that it cannot be extracted easily. The only way to do it virtually is, and it's a staged process, you extract the head node first, the spirit, then you extract the body, and what's left over after you've done a thorough extraction of the other two, you have to incinerate the plant matter into a white ash. It doesn't have to be, it has to be white ash. That white ash then contains the precise ratio of minerals that makes that plant.
Here the plants begin to donate through the process that lasts 40 days, to release their active ingredients. The term donate is appropriate because the plant is not subjected to any stress extraction from extraction machines. The plants let out their active ingredients freely and safely. Thanks to the energy and the power of the sun and moon, that creates optimal conditions for a natural extraction. These special alchemist essences are uniquely treated at a frequency of 528 Hz for 24 hours a day, to ensure that herbal plants acquire all the positive energy. What is 528 Hz frequency? Every human cell has and is responsive to frequency and vibration. 528 Hz, which known as the miracle tone, is a sound wave that it can cause significant and extraordinary changes in biological functions. It has been documented that frequency of 528 Hz activated DNA repair. At 528 Hz frequency, the water molecules surround around DNA, and support its six-sided hexagon DNA structure. Unleash your inner potential through this patented morphogenic matrix technologies, and experience the change they bring into your life.